Dear friends, the second wave of COVID-19 pandemic has been testing us really very hard. I can say it is the toughest exam of our lives that we have ever faced. We have heard and we know about the mutation of this COVID-19 variant, and we know that the virus is getting stronger and harder each day. But today I wish to share this, that it's not only the COVID-19 virus which is getting stronger and harder. We have been witnessing that the entire humanity is getting mutated. Our doctors, our nurses, our paramedical staff, our support staff, all have started accepting the challenges at their face value. Everybody, all the frontliners are becoming more and more stronger, dedicated and committed each day. And above all this, we are seeing the entire humanity getting stronger. Everybody is rising to their levels to help each other to save as many lives as possible. And this is what is giving us hope to fight this battle till the end. Now you all probably must be thinking that where is the hope? We are seeing so many people getting affected, so many people losing the battle, so many families getting shattered. Yes, I will not deny that this is happening. So many people are getting devoid of medical services, and that is what is probably making us feel hopeless. But dear friends, we have started feeling hopeless because this is the only thing which we are talking about. We are not talking about our efforts which are positively translating into actions and good results. If we talk about our hospital, Parul Sevashram Hospital, the Medical College Hospital of Parul University, it is one of the biggest COVID hospital in the city presently and has 600 dedicated beds for COVID. If I throw some light on our numbers, in the last 1 month or 40 days, since the COVID-19 second wave has started hitting and taking its toll, we have admitted around 1600 COVID patients. Out of these, I really feel glad to share that we have been able to successfully treat and manage around 900 patients. And to stress upon, many of these patients were severely critical. And of these critical patients, around 400 patients have been able to successfully win the battle and make out their way out of the COVID-19 pandemic. And out of these 1600 patients, around 525 patients are still taking the treatment at the hospital, and I'm very sure that the hope of getting better remains the same for them as well. So dear friends, amidst all these challenges and difficult situations, the doctors, the nurses, the paramedicals, all the frontliners are trying really very hard to save as many lives as possible. So from the bottom of my heart, I urge each one of you, from the hospital wards to the living rooms of the home, to not let your hope die. Because hope and positivity are the two strongest weapons that we have presently to fight this battle till the end. And hope and positivity are the only things that can drive us through the darkest of the times. So dear friends, let us keep our hope alive, and I'm very sure the better days will soon arrive. Thank you.